so I'm in musical theater, and I really love that. And I think I want to be like a teacher or a choreographer or something, because I really want to show other people how they're able to express themselves.
I love to dance, I love to sing, so I'm hoping to go to college and eventually be on Broadway, and hoping to share that with the world.
I really want to be a teacher. I love little kids and working with them, and I've been able to intern with classes and then actually get a job and start teaching my own dance classes.
I definitely want to be a performer, and I want to be like a positive figure for little people, and especially like my siblings. And I want to inspire people to perform and want to get on that stage and just inspire even more people and just have fun with it.